I'm Nick Brooks. I'm the Managing Director at 3P Innovation. We're a custom automation equipment provider. We focus primarily around the pharmaceutical and medical device sectors. Our expertise is around liquid and powder filling. The trends that we've seen within the industry is a move towards tighter containment solutions and a risk reduction approach to modern automation equipment.
The pharmaceutical industry is facing a number of challenges. Primarily, batch sizes are reducing and the blockbuster products are no longer. Far more flexibility is required in the industry, and particularly in the contract manufacturing side of the industry, where they want to be able to change from product to product on a frequent basis. We surveyed the market and looked at potential partners for this because the exact product didn't exist. And we came across Asyril as a very competent supplier in this field. So what we needed was an aseptic version of their feeder, which would meet the Annex 1 regulations.
The collaboration on the design of the feeder for this project was very straightforward. We reached out to Asyril right at the start of the project, discussed with them what we were looking for as an end goal and how we thought their product might be able to be adapted to suit, and they were very keen to be involved.
At Asyril, we've been tackling the challenge of small batch manufacturing for the last 20 years. Our Asycube has brought flexibility in multiple industries, especially the small batch manufacturing in the watchmaking environment. Our collaboration with the company 3P Innovation led us to tackle similar challenges in the pharmaceutical industry, leading to the development of our first Asycube Clean 230, which is solving the problem of personalized healthcare through small batch manufacturing.
I've worked with this type of feeder in the past. It's not a particularly new field in terms of vision picking, but this is a very specific application we have here. And feeding components for aseptic manufacture is somewhat more difficult.
One of the big benefits of the Asycube is really its improved sterility assurance. The way we've worked with Asyril to design this product enables all of the change parts to be pre-sterilised and introduced into the critical space. So we're keeping them in a controlled environment using RTPs to transfer them into the isolator. So at no point during that process are they able to pick up additional contamination.
Where Asycube helps is around the feeding of the components for production of vials, syringes, cartridges. The closures vary from stoppers to vials to caps to press fit caps, and this type of feeder can feed all of those without the need to change parts.
The Asycube system here is very versatile, and it can be adapted to each of the types of products without needing customized change parts. It allows clients who need to fulfill a variety of different types of production orders to get up and running quickly with a new product, because the system can be very quickly reprogrammable and they can be up and running in days, compared to a traditional system which might take months to configure to a new product.